Money.
It's a powerful tool, but it's no accident so many of us are struggling with debt.
There are various popular get-rich-quick money-making schemes that crop up all the time, ranging from online poker to selling your Beanie Babies collection. In today's video, we'll look at the 15 simplest ways to make money online. Number 15. Begin dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the most popular ways to generate money online, and its popularity is rapidly growing. There's plenty of evidence that dropshipping is a real way to generate money online, with success stories such as how an entrepreneur made $6,667 in 8 weeks, or how a business owner made 6 figures selling only one product. Dropshipping is a business strategy in which you sell a product to a consumer, but the supplier stores, packages, and ships the product on your behalf. Number 14. Experiment with print on demand. Print on demand is similar to drop shipping in that you do not need to stock products or ship them to customers. However, there are 2 minor distinctions. To begin, branded labels can be applied to packages, which is fantastic for brand recognition. Second, transportation costs are prohibitively expensive, making it difficult to develop a profitable business unless you charge higher prices or sell in larger quantities. You, on the other hand, have a fantastic idea to get started right away and realize your ambition of developing your own clothing brand. You, on the other hand, have a fantastic idea to get started right away and realize your ambition of developing your own clothing brand. Number 13. Earn money through affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another popular technique to generate money online. It probably has risen and gone over time, but it's still a reliable way to generate more money. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn money by advertising the products of others. You can generate money as a skilled marketer by marketing retail products, software, apps, and other services. While a modest commission may appear insignificant, consider that you can be an affiliate for numerous brands and use multiple affiliate links in a single blog post. Number 12. Create a YouTube channel. Ryan, who reviews toys on his YouTube channel, was the highest paid YouTuber in 2018, earning $22 million despite the fact that he is only 7 years old. Jeffree Star is another high-earning YouTuber who has earned more than $18 million. He owns a cosmetics company that generates approximately $100 million in sales per year. Your YouTube channel should focus on a particular niche if you want to establish a large and loyal audience. Makeup lessons, video game streaming, product reviews, skill teaching, prank videos, and anything else you think would appeal to an audience are like options. Making money on YouTube is all about creating material that people desire, whether it's informative or entertaining. You can begin monetizing your channel with YouTube advertisements once you've acquired 1,000 subscribers. Number 11. Establish yourself as an influencer. Did you know in 2019, Cristiano Ronaldo earned $975,000 for each sponsored Instagram post, making him the highest paid influencer. To be a successful influencer, you must first amass a significant following. As an influencer, you can earn money by charging for sponsored posts, speaking engagements, opening your own online store and selling products, including affiliate links in your bio, selling ads in your own podcast, getting paid as a brand ambassador, writing a book, appearing at events, and more. Number 10. Develop an online course. Sharing your knowledge is one of the finest methods to generate money online. If you are an expert in a certain topic, you can monetize your expertise by developing online courses. Watching other courses in your field is your greatest bet for producing a popular and successful course. Then go over the reviews. What do people enjoy about it and dislike about it? How do you make something that is better than what has already been made? Concentrate on developing content that answers the most common complaints while imitating the positive features that consumers value. The platform through which you sell your course will affect how much money you make. If you sell your course on Udemy, you don't need to do much to advertise it. It's almost as if you can program it and forget about it. You might possibly market it on certain sites or on your own website. Number 9. Create an ebook. It's never been easier to create and distribute an ebook. All you have to do is write the ebook, format it, create an ebook cover, publish it, and advertise it. You can hire a writer, a graphic designer to design the cover, or a freelancer to format your ebook to lessen the amount of work you have to put into it. You may make money online by selling ebooks in a variety of ways. For a few days, you can give away your books for free. This allows you to rank high in search results for a period of time while also gaining some reviews, allowing you to rank higher for paid listings. Number 8. Start blogging. Another conventional approach to generate money on the internet is by blogging. People who enjoy writing are more likely to start blogs with a specific specialization in mind. When you first start your blog, focus on extremely particular keywords with a tight focus, and then continue to extend into other yet relevant areas as you grow and dominate new spaces. This will enable you to gradually construct a big blog. Blogging may be used to make money in a variety of ways. Affiliate links, AdSense advertisements carefully placed on your website, and sponsored posts are all common ways for review bloggers to generate money. Bloggers' websites can offer both digital and physical things. Number 7. Consider freelancing. The simplest method to generate money online is to take your present 9-to-5 work and do it online instead. To earn money as a freelancer online, you must first develop a great portfolio. To begin, this could involve doing some free work for some well-known mid-tier brands. Once you have a solid portfolio, you may start approaching potential major clients to earn extra money online. Number 6. Create an app. Fortunately, there is a method for developing an app that does not necessitate any programming experience. Marketers are increasingly turning to freelance sites to locate low-cost developers to construct apps for their businesses. Adding your software to Google Play and the App Store is your greatest hope for monetization. And contrary to popular assumption, a free app can help you earn more money than a commercial one. You may monetize the free software by incorporating adverts or paid features. Upselling will be easier because the free software will attract a bigger number of users. Number 5. Get a job as a writer. Many writers try to be generalists, writing in a wide range of disciplines from gastronomy to technology. Having a particular emphasis, on the other hand, permits you to develop superior content as a writer. And that is exactly what brands are eager to pay for: your ideas, experiences, and industry insider knowledge. Apply for jobs that are a good fit for your talents and expertise. Furthermore, your pitch will be dismissed if it does not include a list of links to writing samples. Number 4. Create side hustles. This is an excellent method to earn an additional couple $100 every month. The work does not always last, but it has the potential to do so. Using platforms like Fiverr, you may create gigs. When you first start out on Fiverr, you should focus on offering a low price to acquire your first review. Apply for a range of possibilities to earn a few small side gigs. Number 3. Carry out translation work. If you need money quickly, translation work is a relatively untapped sector. To perform this successfully, you must be conversant in at least 2 languages. So if you're multilingual or earned a popular language in school, this could be a terrific way to make money. In your portfolio, offer examples of your work. The majority of businesses will require a translation test. Keep in mind that you must be fluent in the languages for which you are applying. Number 2. Sell your products. Selling your possessions is a terrific option to get quick money if you're unemployed and unable to find work. Most people consider selling their unwanted stuff such as books, DVDs, and CDs right away. The majority of consumers, however, are unwilling to acquire such products. Is it true that you're going to buy a CD in 2021? Almost certainly not. Don't waste your time trying to sell it. Consider valuable products such as laptops, televisions, phones, furniture, luxury purses, or apparel when researching how to make money quickly. Number 1. Become an online tutor. Tutoring may be the ideal option for you to generate money rapidly if you are an expert in a specific field. This type of job requires a degree or experience in a language, so highlight your degree, good average in a course, or other evidence that you're competent to tutor that area. Concentrate your efforts on tutoring in your area of expertise. If you aren't the best at anything, you probably shouldn't be tutoring it. And with that, it's time to wrap up our video. But first, tell us which side hustle you're going to try out first. Please leave a comment. Consider enjoying the video and subscribing to the channel, and we'll catch up with you soon. Thank you for your time.